it depends. And what it depends on is two things. The first thing is a very, very easy thing to get your head around. So currently, in Australia, if you import anything into Australia that's going to cost you over $1,000 of stock importing into Australia, then you will have to pay GST on that import at the normal GST rate of 10%. Now, if you are registered for GST, you can instantly claim that back, and that's all great, and that kind of fits in with your particular business and particular business strategy. So there's that to consider. Also, if you are expecting to make over $75,000 in your first year of business, then you ought to register for GST and do it now. And indeed, that brings me very, very neatly onto the second part of that, which is expectations. And for me, one thing that I have really come to understand about life is that if you do not provide your psychology and your life with the necessary room for a new thing to enter into it, so money for instance to come into it, then it just won't come into your life. And I've seen countless examples of this happening where, for instance, I've got a good friend of mine who's got divorced, and so he was on his own and he was not ready to find a new wife or a new partner. And when one day he threw away all the old pictures of his wife, and he got his house ready for his next partner. He created the space in his life for a new lady to enter into his life. And it didn't take very long after that for him to find a wonderful new lady. And I have seen that sort of thing time and time again as well. And I see it all the time with entrepreneurs and money, for instance. So if you don't create the space, the psychological room, if you like, to have money coming into your life, then money won't come into your life. And it's kind of weird, and I don't know why that is the case, but I've seen it time and time again. It's a little bit woo-woo, and I kind of get that it's a bit kind of esoteric, but I see it all the time. So in my life, what I've discovered is, from the get-go, I have very, very high expectations about what my businesses will do. And I create the space for that to happen. So with your situation, for instance, Beyout, that would be, well, I am definitely going to make much more money than $75,000 in my first year of trading. So I need to register for GST. I am definitely going to make 75. So I anticipate all these things and think about what I need to put in place for them to happen. And it's weird, but it really does work. So there's a esoteric reason for doing it. Create the space and you allow things to come into those areas. And there's also a legal thing as well. You'll pay GST on your imports, and when you do hit 75,000, and you'll pay GST anyway. So why not start as you mean to go on? That would be my advice to you. Hope that makes sense. Yes, lots of people saying laws of attraction, 100% law of attraction. It's woo-woo, it's weird, but it really does work. The universe kind of just goes, are you ready? And if you haven't, if you're not ready, or you just say, yeah, I'm ready, but you haven't made the space, you just ain't ready, you just don't get it. It's weird, but it works. I don't know why, it just does. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.